Augusto Pinochet became the dictator of Chile in 1973. He remained president until 1990 and commanded the military until 1998. His regime was brutal, employing torture, the unexplained disappearances of people, and outright murder to suppress any opposition. International law, naturally, did nothing to stop the slaughter. Since at least the end of the Second World War, state-sponsored torture had been regarded as a jus cogens crime, a universal crime which was against all humanity, not just against the laws of a particular country. In 1984, this resulted in a United Nations Convention Against Torture, and in 1988, the United Kingdom amended its criminal laws to make torture a universal crime, so that torture conducted anywhere in the world could be tried in the United Kingdom. In 1998, Pinochet travelled to the United Kingdom for medical attention. While he was there, Spain issued an international arrest warrant alleging torture, murder, and other charges. The UK had to decide whether to extradite Pinochet to Spain to face those charges there. The key question was whether Pinochet could in fact be tried for those crimes. There is an old principle that no country can be brought before another country's courts, and that principle extends to heads of state. The House of Lords acknowledged this, saying, "This immunity enjoyed by a head of state in power and an ambassador in post is a complete immunity attaching to the person of the head of state or ambassador and rendering him immune from all actions or prosecutions, whether or not they relate to matters done for the benefit of the state." Pinochet, however, was a former head of state. Was he still immune? The House of Lords found that a former head of state was immune for those official acts which they had conducted while head of state. Lord Brown-Wilkinson said, as ex-head of state, he cannot be sued in respect of acts performed whilst head of state in his public capacity. However, the Lords then found that torture could never be an act performed in a public capacity. Lord Brown-Wilson asked, how can it be, for international law purposes, an official function to do something which international law itself prohibits and criminalises? Pinochet was cleared for extradition, but he wasn't extradited when he faked ill health. He returned to Chile, died in 2006, and never faced justice for his crimes.